Whew. All right, so don't mind me, I'm a little bit sick, but it's 22 degrees and it has at least been 6 inches of snow so far. It is 5:46 in the morning, and I just decided to record a little bit of what it's like to drive in Minnesota weather. So right now, the salt trucks, the snow plows aren't like here yet because of how early it is. Usually they start like around like 7, but I just decided to record a little bit. You know, I wanted to record something for like the snow weather. Didn't expect it to be like this, but hey, it is what it is. Like, I don't know where it's just like winter advisory. We're like, well, we only had like a day to really prepare and was not preparing for this. So I went ahead and I bought me a ice scraper, or like, and they also come with like the brushes. But yeah, so right now I can't see past maybe 20 feet. I can only see the lights, but everything else is a blur. As you can see, it is a winter snowland, and usually by this time there's quite a bit of people out. It is a Thursday, and was not really expecting this type of snow, but here we are. And I'm not gonna take that way. Ooh, I can't stop. It's okay. I can't stop. That's the issue with right now, is that everyone has to, you know, keep in mind the braking, the accelerating, you know, not being able to like stop so abruptly. Like, you're gonna really have to like feather the brake, use your ABS, and also when it comes to accelerating, you can't just like go from 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. So right now I'm gonna go ahead, take this road right here, because this looks like it's the most safest road. There we go. Nice old pit maneuver. Oh, there's a snowplow right there. But usually when it comes to like snowplows, you have the city ones, and then you have like, you know, the typical trucks with their snowplows. Usually they like either are like the landlords or they're contracted by someone. And they're usually contracted. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, you can't even see that building over there. You can only see the lights, really. But anyways, how's your guys' day going? I don't know when you're gonna be watching this, but as you can see, you can't even see the lights, really. So this is Minnesota for you. It was about time like it started snowing like this, because it took like, it is December. Usually it starts snowing like this maybe November, I want to say around Thanksgiving time. But this time it came to us late. You know, global warming, I don't know, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but maybe someone in the comments is, and you know, can let me know, like, what's your conspiracy theories on these. But this is downtown, very pretty, in Iceland. But hope you guys are doing good. Not sure how long I'm gonna make this video, not sure if I'm gonna record the after work part, but definitely I wanted to record like, we're getting really tight over here. We're gonna have to share the road a bit, because as you can see, you can't see the lines really. There's a car right there, so we're all just gonna have to be courteous. Like right here, oh, there we go. We're all just gonna have to share the road a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm in the middle lanes, but I can't really see the lines. But right here, ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. How to make a little pit maneuver. And there we go. I usually park over here on this side, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of reverse parking. But that's gonna be the that's gonna be it for today's video. If you do like it, go ahead and like and subscribe. And as always, I'm doing this while reverse parking, so that's always nice. But as always, thank you for watching. Bye.